So let's talk about ketones in your body. When your body makes ketones, right? There's 3 different types of ketones. We have acetoacetate and we have BHB. And then, you know that fruity smell you have if you're in ketosis? That's acetone. Okay, so we blow off acetone, we have acetoacetate, and then we have BHB. And by the way, acetoacetate and BHB can convert to each other. Okay, so what Pruvit was very interested in with us as researchers, scientists, was what's the #1 ketone in the body? And it turns out to be that BHB is by far the #1 ketone in the blood. In fact, you have a 4-to-1 ratio of BHB to acetoacetate, okay? So if you have BHB, you're fine. So knowing that BHB is the #1 ketone in your blood, Pruvit understood that, and that's why they launched BHB. So when you see ketones, exogenous ketones, that's BHB. You have right-handed BHB, you have left-handed BHB, okay? In your body, the overwhelming majority of BHB in our bodies are BHB. That's what, in fact, our BHB, okay, right-handed BHB is what's produced from your liver. So when we talk about ketogenesis, when we talk about that being a process of something that occurs in the liver, okay, the only ketone that's produced in the liver is RBHB. But Pruvit basically has what we call RBHB. If you take Pruvit ketones and you look at the ketones in your blood and you put them under a microscope, they're bioidentical to the ketones produced from your liver.